أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear friend, my dear viewers? We will start Nurani Qaida lesson number 7. In this lesson, we will learn about the standing fatha, standing kasra, and standing zama. The standing fatha second name is standing zabar. The standing kasra second name is standing zair, and the standing zama the second name is standing pesh. So keep in your mind the standing zabar and standing zair and standing pesh just prolong equal to 1 second, like the alif madda prolong 1 second. So keep in your mind this is very important lesson. So just we stretch it alif madda and ya madda and waw madda for 1 second. In the same way, we will also stretch zabar, zair and pesh for 1 second. We will talk about the important point in this lesson. So let's start here. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. That is standing zabar, and that is standing zair, and that is standing pesh. So the standing zabar and ba, standing zabar ba standing zair b, ba standing pesh bu, ba b bu, ya standing zabar ya standing zair ya standing pesh you, ya yi you, ra standing zabar ra standing zair ra standing pesh ru, ra ri ru, meme standing zabar meme standing zair meme standing pesh ma mi mu, lam standing zabar lam standing zair lam standing pesh la li lu, wow standing zabar wow standing zair wow standing pesh wa wi wu, noon standing zabar noon standing zair noon standing pesh na ni nu, hamza standing zabar hamza standing zair hamza standing pesh a i u, ha standing zabar ha standing zair ha standing pesh ha hi hu, Ain standing zabar Ain standing zair Ain standing pesh a i u, ha standing zabar ha standing zair ha standing pesh ha hi hu, ghain standing zabar ghain standing zair ghain standing pesh gha ghi ghu, kha standing zabar kha standing zair kha standing pesh kha khi khu, ta standing zabar ta standing zair ta standing pesh ta ti tu, sa standing zabar sa standing zair sa standing pesh sa si su, Jim standing zabar Jim standing zair Jim standing pesh ja ji ju, dal standing zabar dal standing zair dal standing pesh da di du. So thanks for watching this video, and may Allah keep you happy, and don't forget this video, like this video and share this video and subscribe my channel. So see you later. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.